we're getting Big Charlie all nice and shiny for this next Jaybird journey.
Oh, yeah.
Spraying my face, man. Woo! Woo! Keep it down, dude. Keep it down. Keep it down.
And now it's time for them to hit the road. Only the ladies are going this time. At least I got to see them for a quick minute right after I got off work. And I mean it was for a quick minute.
Hello, everybody. This is Shalisa and Sierra. It's Memorial Day weekend and we're on the road again. We're going to the Real Power Women Conference in New Orleans. We were invited by Miss Perline, and the funny thing is I met her last year at the Melanated Campout in Georgia. So that is pretty cool. I get to see her again. So this time when we go to New Orleans, we're going to try out New Orleans RV Park, which is on the marina, on the Gulf side. So that should be unique and beautiful. It's a resort, so we should be there in the next 5 hours, hopefully. And oh, y'all gotta see my new swag. Look at my shirt. So this is a shirt Julian made for us called Big Charlie for the truck. Talk to you later. Bye. Good morning, good morning. I'm here at the New Orleans RV Park at the marina, and I'm gonna take you along to see what the amenities they have here. So we got some pull-through sites here, and these are the bag hand, which I'm on, and they're right on the marina, on the waterfront sites. As you see, that's for housekeeping only. That is your men's facility, equipment room, and this is the ladies. And there's a walk-in shower, air conditioning, heat. We got a little hanger here, air purifier in here, a humidifier. Hello. Over on this other side is the boat shop, where they repair boat repair. They repair boats over there, which is pretty cool. The bathhouse that we just came from. Now we're finna walk through the lane for the pull-throughs. So over here are pull-throughs, and these are back ends. And these are the cottages they have. You can come and stay at the cottages. The tiny houses. This is pretty cool. And these are premium back-end sites here on the water. So look at the beautiful view. I came over and I stood on the rock and took a picture. So this is like the outport. And back that way is where we would walk through the cottages. And they do have a little pier that you can walk on. There's the pier.
Now, I don't know what they did all day, but that night they got ready to attend the Power to Exhale Real Power Summit.
It's about 9:15 and we're walking to the all-white unmasking reveal party here at the convention center here in New Orleans. So we're all gonna have our masks on and everybody's gonna be dressed in white at the Real Power Women's Conference. All right, see you in a little bit. We're here at the Real Power Summit 2023. As you see, everyone's dressed in white. These are the Indian warriors.
The ladies are fired up and ready to get down to some serious business tonight. We'll see you in the morning. Good morning. My wife is enjoying herself at the campground with an early morning walk, but soon after that, it was time for the ladies to get ready to march. Mother and daughter will now join hundreds of women as Sistah Soldiers for this Real Power Summit event.
So we're here at the Real Power Summit here at the Convention Center in New Orleans, and look at all the women's get together. We're about to do a second line parade. Look at that whole sea of soldiers, real power women. Woohoo!
Apparently my wife didn't video the parade, but from what I can take from this video, these Sistah Soldiers were hyped up. This is a Sistah Soldier invasion. Vini Vidi Vici.
Woo! Look at the sea of beautiful women. Look at those sea of beautiful women. Woohoo! Sistah Soldiers.
The soldiers were also treated to a visit from Tabitha Brown, who is the host of It's Contemplated, the first plant-based cooking competition show on Food Network, and she's also the host of the Emmy-nominated YouTube's children's show, Tab Time.
Hello!
Y'all all right?
We all right?
Very good.
That was almost a great selfie. After the Sistah Soldiers fellowshipped and after the squads did some PT, the ladies went back to the Jaybird and got in some R&R at the swimming pool. We'll see you in the morning. Good morning from Site 24 at the New Orleans RV Resort Marina. My wife is back at her favorite spot, which is any spot besides some water. They even had some visitors to the campsite.
These are our daily visitors, the little duckies. So hey, little duckies. But here we are, we're getting ready to go to church. Hey, Sierra. No. Hey.
They're back from church, and my wife is putting some burgers on the grill.
Getting lunch ready. Sierra's in the inside, preparing the trimmings, and we're getting ready for burgers and chips. And this is our view from the back. He's cleaning his boat. That's what the noise you hear. Cleaning his boat with a pressure washer. There's our burger with the cheese on it. I used this to melt it. I had the buns on here, but here's the buns that were toasted. About to have a burger.
Now it is time for the princess and the queen to attend the Real Power Summit all-white day party. Let's get this party started right, featuring the King of Swing, Tucka James.
Yeah, who wanna ride the train? Big train, keep on rolling. Yeah, no need to stop now. Big train, keep on rolling.
She's killing it on the ones and twos. Later on, the ladies showed out doing the double dutch. Let's keep this party going, Choppa Style.
Whoa, all my ladies kinda thick, but no shit, bad chick. Whoa, all my ladies in a place, let me cute in the face. Whoa, all my ladies kinda thick, but no shit, bad chick. Whoa, stop playing, won't stay all night. This kid said what? Who they want? Hey, hey. Tell you what's up, what you say, y'all. Y'all respect us, we'll respect y'all. Get your drink on. Tell the DJ. I'm really having a good time. I'm really having a good time. If you having a good time, 5, 4, 3, 2, let's go. Choppa's out, chop, chop, choppa's out, choppa's out, chop, chop. Chop, chop, they're on, chop, chop, they're on. I don't mean to sound rude, baby, I heard that nothing. I wanna say I'm fine, mama with some. She ain't got a lot of hair, but I know. On the big fine, mama with some. Came here to get it bumped, Papa said. We did a little Choppa Style. Choppa Style, chop, chop. Choppa Style. Hold up,
Time to back that thing up with some Juvenile.
well, from the Magnolia, I'm a soldier. Hold it, hold it, hold it. I said I'm in it. Hold it, hold it, hold it. I said I'm on fire. I can't hear you. Come on, turn it up. Come on, sing it. I'm on fire.
Jewy got the place turned up and on fire. Can't do nothing after that but get ready to go to bed right after the pajama party. We'll see you in the morning.
Good morning, good morning. This is our last day. We're packing up. And I'm doing my morning walk and going to give you a review of the park and show you some of the amenities.
Please check out my wife's official tour and review of New Orleans RV Resort and Marina. The link to that video will be at the end of this video. And now it's time to bring the Jaybird back home.
Continue on France Road for 1.5 miles.
Barring all stops and everything, we should be home in probably 5 hours and 30 minutes.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Mississippi, here we come. I like the setup. I mean, it's very spacious. A lot of amenities. A lot of different staying options.
Yep.
So you just don't have to bring an RV. You can stay on a boat if you have a boat. On the marina, you can stay in a cottage on the water, which is really cool. Or you can stay in things that look like little tiny houses, which are cute.
Yep.
Let's talk about why we came in the first place. Woohoo! What are you thinking about the Power to Exhale conference?
It was good. A lot of lovely ladies.
Of all the events that we went to with the Power to Exhale conference.
Which one was your favorite?
You beat me to the punch. Look at you. I think the parade was my favorite because everybody was having a really good time. Plus, we get to do something I like, which is walking. And we all got to dress up. You can see everybody's individuality and how they represented the soldier theme of it. I really liked it, and how everybody decorated their umbrellas and different things. I really liked the second line parade.
Very nice.
So what was your favorite part?
The self-defense class.
Oh, oh man, yeah, that was my second favorite.
Yeah.
That self-defense class was fun.
Yeah.
So tell me why you like that self-defense class, Sierra.
Did I learn some self-defense moves?
Oh, okay.
Which was nice. And I like the karaoke.
Karaoke was nice.
Even though I didn't get to participate. But
So it was a pajama party karaoke. So we had our pajamas on, and we wore our bonnets too. My third favorite, which was really, really cool, was the all-white day party when they brought all the artists. That was really nice. For the conference to be free and you only paid $50 for that event, I think that was a pretty good setup. I mean, for many artists that we got. Alrighty, peace out.
My son and I met the ladies in Batesville, Mississippi to save my daughter about 45 minutes because she had to head back to Mississippi State University. And just so I can say that the men actually were involved just a little bit with this camping experience, we made a fire in the solo stove and made some s'mores. We hope you enjoyed Jaybird Journey number 22 to New Orleans RV Resort and Marina and the Power to Exhale Real Power Summit of 2023 with the Traveling Weekenders, Team CJP. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and as always, be blessed. Peace.